Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel The Classroom. So today we are going to do a very interesting project apart from the curriculum, apart from the academics curriculum. Okay, आज we are going to make one Instagram bot which will allow you to upload the pictures through the Python code. Okay, तो कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, देखते हैं without wasting any time. So the very first thing that you need to do is instabot करके एक library है that we need to install into our computer. So for installing, we'll just open up the command prompt, right? Okay, so here I am on the command prompt. The next thing that you need to do is you need to go to the path where your Python is installed. So for me, it is appdata/local/programs/python/ Now I'm using the Python version 3.8, so I'll write here 38. You need to check your Python version and you need to add the path accordingly, and then we'll go to the scripts folder. Now once we are on the correct path, we need to install the instabot. Okay, so for that I'll write pip install instabot. Now when I press enter key, for me requirement is already satisfied because I've already installed it. आप जब करोगे तब यहाँ पे डाउनलोडिंग प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाएगा. मेक श्योर कि आप अपना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन ऑन रख रहे हो while installing this instabot. Okay? Now we'll go to our Python idle, जहाँ पे हम 3 या 4 लाइन का कोड लिख के Python के थ्रू Instagram पे पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. So here I am on the Python idle. Okay, so the very first line that we are going to write is from instabot import bot. Okay, instabot is a library that we installed and उसका एक class है bot. Fine, make sure you make this B capital because Python is case sensitive language. Now after that what we are going to do is we are going to create an object for this class bot. So I've created an object called bot and for the class bot, okay, which we have imported over here. The next line that you need to write is before you post any of the photo, you need to log into your account. So by using this bot object, I'm going to log in into my account. Here you have to give the username for your account. Now here I have started the Instagram page for the classroom. Hopefully I'll be updating it every now and then. Okay. So this is the first post that I am making with this Python script. So you can note down and you can also follow this Instagram page for very interesting updates regarding Python programming language. So the username is the_classroom__. Okay, this is my username and password. Obviously I'll add it at the end of the script when I'm just running this. Okay. Fine. Then after you need to again use the bot object and then you need to use a function called upload_photo for uploading the photo. अब यहाँ पे आपको फोटो का नाम देना है जो भी आपको अपलोड करना है. ठीक है. So for me it is tcrff.jpg. अब एक बात ध्यान रखना, ये पाइथन फाइल और ये फोटो दोनों एक ही फोल्डर में सेव होने चाहिए. अगर अलग अलग फोल्डर में सेव हैं तो आपको ये फोटो का पाथ देना होगा कि आपका ये फोटो कहाँ पे है आपके कंप्यूटर पे. ठीक है. सो इट इज बेटर दैट यू सेव योर फोटो एज वेल एज योर पाइथन फाइल इन अ सेम फोल्डर. फाइन. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड हियर वन कैप्शन एंड हियर कैप्शन में मैं लिख रही हूँ समथिंग awesome loading. Okay, this is what I write over here. Then we'll save it. Okay, and now I'm going to execute it, but before that I need to add my password over here. Okay, see, I have entered my password and I have executed the Python script. So don't be scared of all these red lines. These are not actually the error. ये क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे हमारा जो Python script है वो Instagram के साथ connection बना रहा है. As you can see here, our file was found, the tcrf file was found, the width and height and the aspect ratio of the file is given over here, and at last you'll find one photo tcrf.jpg is uploaded. Okay, so it is successfully uploaded in my Instagram account. Now we'll just go over to Instagram to check whether all the things are correctly executed or not. Okay, so here as you can see, I have just logged into my account, the classroom, and here this post has been created. This was what the photo was about. Okay, I have uploaded the logo of the classroom here, and the caption is also there, something awesome loading, right? So yes, you can be the first one to like this post, to rush to Instagram and just like this post. Okay, and do tell me in the comment section that how did you like this whole Python script. Like within 3 to 4 lines you can create such kind of robots which can actually post anything on your Instagram. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos, and do let me know in the comment section that if you'd like to see such kind of more videos or not. Till then, take care, keep coding, and thank you for watching.